This is for open house. Hello?
Hi Dean, this is Ivy with Ben Yosef Al-Siddiqui. I have a quick question about the open house at 123 Maple Leaf Street, Towson, MD. It's this Saturday 1:04 p.m. Did I catch you at an okay time for a quick question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Great. Are you planning to stop by the open house at 123 Maple Leaf Street, Towson, MD?
Yes.
If you like it, would you want a private showing afterward?
Yeah, sure.
Hi Dean, thank you for your interest. If you're still interested, would you like a private showing or a quick call with an agent?
Yes.
Great, Dean. Is it okay if our team follows up with you using the contact details we already have on file, including email, to confirm the next steps and a time?
Yeah, sure.
Great, Dean. What day and time works best? For example, Thursday at 11:30 a.m. or Tuesday at 2:15 p.m.
How about Sunday at 11:15 a.m.?
Perfect, Dean. I've scheduled it for Sunday, December 21 at 11:15 a.m. Our team will send a confirmation using your contact details on file. Thanks again. Have a great day.
That's it.